Many healthcare companies rely on the Ushur HIPAA-secure interactive omnichannel platform to enhance members and patient communications, and also to automate manual email and fax-based processes for operational efficiency. In this video, we will showcase a direct-to-member interaction to close care gaps, as well as a fax automation process for physician order intake. First, we look at Ushur for closing gaps in care for a newly diagnosed diabetic member. The unique interactive capabilities of Ushur Invisible app allow clients to guide and handhold members to take needed actions. After a quick two-factor authentication, a member is shown a video with diabetes education. This video is played right within the Ushur journey. The member is then guided to schedule a time to meet with their care manager for a nutrition class. Calendar functions of their smartphone make the date and time selection easy. Once the member selects an appointment time, Ushur can send a confirmation via text or email. Here, the communication picks up later, where Ushur is used to educate the member about a care gap for their HbA1c test. Maps functionality makes it convenient for a member to enter an address to find an in-network lab nearby. The member can now click to call the lab of their choice to schedule an appointment, or have Ushur remind them to do that later. Now we will showcase Ushur's AI capabilities to automate the order intake process for a specialty provider. In this demo, Circle Specialty Providers uses Ushur to process lengthy, complex order intake faxes and then automatically gather missing patient data. Currently, Circle Specialty Providers receives e-faxes of orders for multiple patients in the same fax. Ushur can identify orders, clinicals, and insurance cards in any faxes submitted and associate them with the correct patients. Here, Ushur.ai identifies the patients for each document. The goal of the solution using Ushur.ai-powered Intelligent Document Automation, or IDA, is to automate the capture of patient data and carry out the first patient outreach as quickly as possible. This will enable Circle Specialty Providers to serve that patient rather than a competing specialty provider. In the case of missing information, as we see in the missing diagnosis here, and based upon business rules established by Circle Specialty Providers, Ushur can initiate an outbound campaign to gather missing diagnosis information, here via email. The outreach channel can be tailored to accommodate provider preferences. Ushur can also send items like clinicals and orders that need to be actioned by intake agents back to the appropriate agent support queue, based upon the nuances of each procedure and its unique characteristics. All data Ushur extracts can go to the CRM system immediately to save agents from keying data manually or chasing missing information. Because the CRM is integrated with other back-end clinical systems, all Ushur extracted data also flows directly into those systems as well. Now we will showcase how Circle Specialty Providers uses the HIPAA-secure Ushur Invisible portal to allow live agents to deploy an Ushur Invisible app message to capture imaging orders and other needed information and documentation. Hi, it's Will, and I need to schedule a PET scan.
Great, did your doctor give you an imaging order?
Yes, they did.
I've just sent you a secure link to securely upload your order via a photo.
Using Ushur Invisible app, patients can upload documents that are sent securely to Circle Specialty Provider live agents, and the Ushur platform can ingest data all the way into backend systems for processing, without leaving a trace of data on user phones. Prior to their appointment, patients can receive an appointment reminder and education on pre-appointment prep. In this example, a patient is educated on radiology scan preparations. To learn more about this and other healthcare journey phases and use cases being supported with the Ushur platform, visit Ushur.com.